This place not too noisy.
No, no, it doesn't matter. So, sir, good day, sir.
Thank you, you are welcome.
Yes, sir. So, I'm Shegun, Lima machineries engineer. So, you bought this equipment from us, the extruder machine, the dryer, mixer, also the grinder.
Yes.
And I believe that you didn't see our agent before you made payments. So because a lot of people they are afraid, they will say if they pay money to people they do not see, they are doubting they will get result for their payment. But what can you say, sir? We would like you to tell us your name and your experience with Lima machinery.
Yes, thank you very much, Mr. Shegun. My name is James Ayemikowa. I'm representing the UK. It's a conglomeration of company. Uh, Actually, like your question, we need this machine to produce fish meat. So with all the situation in the society, everyone is going to their way. That is right. But notwithstanding, you must take risk. Because not taking risk itself is a risk. Actually, we pay without even seeing the customers. We only just communicate through internet and phone. But we just have to give some element of trust. And eventually, I've contacted your agent, I mean your company in China. And with that, they asked me to pay money. I paid the money, and after that, they gave me time. But when the equipment was coming, they were updating me in the movement of the equipment before I was led to their agent back then in Nigeria, which is yourself. And I called, and at the same time, you didn't hesitate to pay. I am now the new machine that we are just running the new. And yourself, you are here with us, and you can see the production is getting better. I'm happy. That's just it. That's just it.
Thank you very much.
It's very big risk, but thank God that everything work well. And there are still people we can still trust.
Thank you very much, sir. Thank you very much. Lima Machinery really appreciate you. On behalf of Lima Machinery, I say thank you. Thank you for patronizing us.
That's right.
Thank you.
I also want to thank your program for that trust that did betray the trust. I am so happy about it. And I look forward to more business with you.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Thank you,
Both
sir.
your people in China and the one in Nigeria, they are going well. And I encourage any other person that wants to establish business with you. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.
Look
Thank
forward
you.
to more friendly relationship.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Bye bye.